Sunday Chef. My name is Atin and I welcome you to my Sunday recipe. Although हम हर बार कुछ स्पेशल बनाते हैं, but this is really special. It's my birthday week and I wanted to make something really offbeat. And मेरी सर्च मुझे लेके गई पर्शिया, जहाँ से ये डिश धीरे धीरे होते होते इंडिया पहुंची through the Mughals. Over the century, over the decade, धीरे धीरे करके this became a lost recipe. And luckily we found it and I'm going to be presenting it to you this Sunday. Now this combines the best of two of my favorite ingredients, mutton and sugar, and we're going to be making gosht ka halwa. Different, right? So buckle up your seat belts and get ready. We're going to be cooking gosht ka halwa. A special recipe like this requires some special ingredients. For that, we will require some mutton. This is mutton keema. We've taken about 600 to 700 ml of milk. Then we have taken some sugar. We've taken about 50 to 70 grams of ghee. Then we have got about 100 grams of khoya. Powdered some cardamom real fine. Again, finely powdered nuts. Then I've got some roughly chopped almonds, and then I've got saffron water along with this. So these are all the ingredients that you will require to make the recipe. Maybe some kevra water as well for making your mutton halwa. The first step would be to pour in our ghee. This is about 50 grams of ghee. Now this is our minced mutton. So once this is hot, we will just pour in our mutton. Make sure that the mutton turns light brown. It basically becomes like whitish or light brown. So now we can see that mutton का color change हो गया है. You can see there is a lot of ghee. कोई भी जैसे कोई मुगले डिश होती है वो बिना घी के तो सही बनती नहीं है. Now it's time to put some milk. और अब ये दूध में ही पकेगी. I'm first putting close to about 250 ml of milk and then we'll keep adding as required. Now you guys can see that ये हल्का हल्का पकना शुरू हो गया है. Now what we'll do is we'll add some cardamom powder because mutton has a lot of smell of its own and this also needs to be fragrant. So for that we'll be using some cardamom powder or elaichi powder. Just mix this a bit and now it's starting to smell really nice. We let this boil a bit and now as soon as the milk starts to boil, we'll add in the sugar. So you can see the milk has started to boil. Just lower the flame a bit and we'll add in some sugar. What you also have to do is just periodically just keep adding a little bit of milk. So around 20-30 ml of milk every 5-10 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times. So now you can see it started to come all together. इसको हम बस और थोड़ा थोड़ा भूनते रहना है. And मैंने इसमें 2 से 3 बार 30 से 40 ml दूध डाला है after we 5 to 10 minutes. So now it's been almost half an hour, 45 minutes that it's been on the flame. Now to make it even more creamy, what we will do is add some khoya. So this is about 60 grams, 70 grams of khoya. This will make it even more
मिल्की एंड क्रीमी. यू कैन सी कि अब वो हल्का हल्का और डेंस एंड क्रीमी हो रहा है. What we'll also do is, this is some powdered almonds and cashews. इसको हमने मिक्सी में कर लिया था, इसको भी इसमें मिक्स कर लेना है. एंड फॉर द कलर, बिकॉज ये थोड़ा ब्राउनिश से कलर का है, इसके कलर के लिए हम इसमें थोड़ा सा saffron वाटर डाल देते हैं. इससे बेसिकली गिव अ yellowish color to the whole dish. So guys, our halwa is almost done, and what I'll do is I'll add some kevda water to it. This will enhance the smell of the halwa even more. We will just let it be on the pan for another 5 minutes, and then I'll see you on the plating.
So guys, after 1.5 hours of amazing cooking, finally we have our gosht ka halwa. And just have a look. The texture looks amazing, looks very rich. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some nuts to make it even more richer, and I'm going to taste this halwa. I cannot believe how amazing this tastes. Happy birthday to me. I really could not have asked for a better dish to have on my birthday. And with this, I request you to really make this lost recipe at home, and make sure that you actually share it with your friends, share this recipe with your friends, so other people can know that you can make gosht ka halwa, a halwa made from mutton. So this is the Sunday Chef, and I'll be seeing you next Sunday.